Maggie.
Maggie, look up. Look up. Oh, that's a good girl. Say, congratulations, Grant. We're very proud of you. So proud that Maggie's fallen over.
Go Orange.
Say, go Orange. We'll be thinking of you. And we're very proud of all that you've accomplished. And we know that you're going to make us proud at Syracuse. We're sorry we missed your party, but we hope to celebrate with you soon. And hopefully Miss Maggie can sit up by then. Maggie, give Grant a big smile. Give Grant a big smile. Can you give a big smile? Big smile. Oh, that might be all we're going to get today. Maggie. Maggie. Not so much. But she does seem to like the pillow. Say congratulations. Yep.
Hey, congratulations, Grant.
Okay. Congratulations, Grant. We're very proud of you.
What is that? Strand of rope?